So there are several different types of testing that are required in the integration test. There's the signaling system, there's the power system, but with that we also have what we call the Operation Command Center, or what we call OCC, and it is basically the command center that controls the entire system. The OCC has a capability of communicating with the trains on an audible level and a video level, and we need to make sure that we can communicate to all the different vehicles that we have. We're also testing positive train control, or PTC, and that's basically a wireless system that along the corridor that is fed from tower to tower, and that allows us to communicate remotely from each of the vehicles to the OCC. So just north of downtown, we have the Commuter Rail Maintenance Facility, or what we call CRMF, and it's basically a large facility where we can perform maintenance on the vehicles. The FRA requires several inspections each night after use of the vehicles, so that's where the inspections are held. That's also where the OCC is at the CRMF. Commuter rail vehicles, or the CRVs, they're powered by an overhead electrical system. The overhead catenary that you see here carries 25,000 volts of electricity. The electricity is fed from two substations along the corridor. Those two substations are where we pull the power from Excel off their 115,000 volt transmission lines. So unlike light rail, the commuter rail vehicles travel at 79 miles an hour. That's their maximum operating speed, where light rail is only 55 miles per hour. We will see trains traveling at 79 miles an hour in several areas. One thing that'll achieve is you will be able to get from downtown to the airport in less than 40 minutes on average. The reason we can't go over 79 miles per hour is we're mandated by the Federal Railroad Administration, or the FRA, and they have classified our railroad as a class 4, limiting us to 79 miles an hour. So the trains in the system require several incremental integrated tests, and we build it up slowly. We started at 15 miles per hour. At the grade crossings, we used a stop and proceed order, where we would stop the train, ensure that the crossing was safe before proceeding. Once all that equipment was proven, then we could bump it up to 45 miles per hour. We proved the system at 45, and then we bumped it up to maximum authorized speed through the crossings.